Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing just one card featuring this adorable new stamp set called Such a Party Animal, and it's just adorable. I am using my alter new stamping platform here, and you can see I'm just picking out all of the elements that I would like to stamp. I am using Nina cardstock. It's my preferred paper when I am coloring with alcohol markers. And you can see here I am just taking my paper to the side there, and then I will ink it up. You can see I inked it up and then I press it down with my tool from Picket. You can see I had a spot where I missed. I just double stamped it with the help of the stamp platform. And then I picked out a couple of markers from my Olo collection. And then I colored all of these cute images in. And I try to keep it quite light. I don't know what it is, but when it is cute creatures like this, I just want that a little bit of contrast to the side of my image, and then a really light main color, and I hope that makes sense. And then I will use some pop colors later on in the color of the rainbow. So that is my process here when I'm coloring in all of these cute images. Not all of them will end up on my project for today, but I will save them in my stash, and the next time I will create, I will pull them out and maybe they can end up on a project. I'm really hoping so. And you can see I start out by laying all my small images when I had cut them out with the coordinating dies on top of these post-it marks, and they comes from the Beyond Basic post-it cover plate with postmarks dies. And I cut them out, and now I will bring in some ink to some parts of this, and you can see I am using some different color combinations. I'm having this orange and pink color combination. It's one of my favorites. To color them in, I'm using my blending brushes from Picket. And you can see I'm just laying everything out so I know how far up I need my colors to go. And I also like that little bit of a white space at the top. And you can see I am bringing out a new color combination. I am having pink and purple. It's also very beautiful. And then I will have one that is blue and I think purple or green. Blue or green? Green, yeah. That's a nice one as well. And you can see you don't need a lot of color, just a little pop of it down to one of the sides here. I just love it. I think that is super cute. And now the fun part comes when we can layer all of our cute images on top of our postmarks here. So I'm using some double-sided foam tape to give it some dimension. And you can see that little party hat. I will also give that some dimension and then pop it to the top of my little kitten's head there. And then we have some presents here and a cute pop and some balloons as well. You can see the balloons there are super bright. I just love how that turned out. And then I am trying just to arrange it so it looks nice. And this little pop, the last one, didn't make it to this project, but I will save him for another one. And then you can see here I am stamping a sentiment from the same stamp set. It says happy birthday, and I stamped it in white pigment ink, and then I can cover it with some embossing powder and heat set it off camera. I just love doing that, so if I have any spots that the powder didn't end up on, I have it covered anyway. I'm bringing out a white gel pen, and then I'm going over it just to bring some highlights. And then I am using the paper splatters from Picket and a brush from my stash, just watering it down with some water. And then I am splattering this in a box. In this same die set as the post-it marks, there is also this little stamp mark. And I just cut it out of vellum and a gold metallic cardstock, and I will have that as an embellishment on my project together with my stamped images. And in that same set there is also this super large post-it mark that creates sort of cover for your A2 size card front, and I just decided to cut it out of some cream colored cardstock, and then I am arranging this. I just love these color combinations. I had such a blast creating this card, and the super cute images. I just love how this turned out, and the splatters in the background, I just love it as well. I wish I had gone in, sort of when I'm looking at this at screen, I wish I had gone in with maybe a green or a blue color to the back of my image here, but I didn't, and now I'm just trying to arrange how I want this to look. This was my first thought, and I think it looks good actually when I see it on camera here, but I decided to have it more focal to the center of this. Yeah, so this is how it ended up looking. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you like this arrangement of my post-it marks. Otherwise you can create your own with the other one. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the links to the products that I used in this video will be listed down below, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!